everyone, it's Monique from Raw Blend. Today I'm very excited to be making one of my favorite smoothies when I was a kid. This is my vegan raspberry ripe. So today I'm going to be using the Vitamix A3500. I've already got about 100 mils of water in my container, and then next I'm going to add 1 banana. So this is a good morning smoothie. Next I'm going to add about 50 to 80 grams of frozen raspberries. This is going to cool it down, give us our nice raspberry ripe. Now I have 1 massive tablespoon of raw cacao. This is nice chocolatey flavor that we want. Next, I'm going to add 20 grams of chocolate vegan protein powder. So this is going to be nice and filling for the morning, give us lots of energy for the day. I've got some oats, so this will help cream it up, give us some nice energy. And then last, I'm going to end with some ice, just to cool it down. So simple. Let's get blending. This is going to be a really nice thick smoothie. I can always add some more water if I need to. So now I'm just going to lock my lid into place, putting the little clips over this ridge here. So we've got pre-programmed settings. I've got my smoothie setting at 50 seconds, and we'll start. Perfect. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Look at that. Bringing back nostalgia for me. Look how good that consistency is. It's so smooth. Cheers. Yum. Oh my gosh. It's so yummy. Chocolatey, but it's still fresh and sweet from those lovely raspberries. I hope you try it. Happy blending.